Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we go on the auto rickshaw. Some people call it tuk-tuk, and we are off to a beach, Marari Beach. We prefer the rickshaw to a taxi because it's open with air coming in and it is a special experience. We checked into our B&B, which was called Marari Nest, but we didn't spend any time taking a video of the place because we were too eager to get to the beach. As we walked towards the beach, we noticed that a lot of the houses in the area were B&Bs, and some of them were run by foreigners who are not local people. And we stopped by to chat with one of them to just get to know her and her experience in Kerala. Marari Beach, which is also called Marari Beach, located in the Alappuzha district of Kerala, India, is a serene and picturesque destination known for its pristine sands, swaying coconut palms, and tranquil ambience. The name Marari is derived from Marari, a traditional fishing village that offers visitors a glimpse into the authentic coastal lifestyle of Kerala. Unlike some of Kerala's most commercialized beaches, Marari Beach remains relatively untouched, offering a peaceful retreat for those looking to relax by the sea. Visitors can enjoy leisurely walks along the shore, interact with local fishermen, and observe their daily routines.
Okay, if you go right here, you'll see a nice little bar area with a cat.
Can I take my shoes off?
Yeah, you can do what you want.
Yeah, don't you say there's a cat there?
Go on the hammock. Go on, for the film. Get out of my way, please. Standing right in the front of the camera. Help her.
Look, lie down.
Hello, how you doing? Nice to meet you, man.
Ask him if he
So
wants.
you might want me to go back and get the battery charger because there's
Well,
not much left.
you go have a dip if you want, and then you go have a dip if you want, and then.
No, but I mean, do you want me to go back and get the charger? Because you're not going to be able to take anything.
Oh yeah,
Okay, I'll go in first and then come back.
yeah.
Take a video of me. Going in to check out the beach. We're in Aleppi, Marari.
Marari Marari.
Just been offered a beer, but I said no, it's not legal. But you know, hush beer stuff, no, it's not happening. But just going to check out the beach. We're in Aleppi, Marari Beach. I'm just going to check out the beach over there, see how warm it is, make sure it's okay for everyone. I'll see you in about 5 minutes.
Do you put your halfway through. You sit on top of it. Remember that swing the falls? They were so heavy.
We had planned to meet up with another family who were friends with us, and they had 2 small children, so we had a very nice time at the beach. This beach is very tranquil and uncrowded. It's not a party beach. You'll find long stretches of golden sand lined with coconut palms and very few tourists and even local people. The pace of life is slow, with the gentle sound of waves and occasional fishing boats bobbing in the sea. You're likely to see local fishermen launching traditional wooden boats at dawn, part of daily village life, not a show for tourists. The sunset was beautiful. The children were happy, and the water was at the right temperature for us to all enjoy.
Here we are in backwaters. Lovely backwaters. I'm having my massage, my cheek, ear, and hair massager behind me. Eliana's trying, but she has one blessing going. She kind of has 100. -1.
On this side.
What?